So you guys see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. I went ahead and made a nice purchase on Amazon for nail supplies. So I want to show you guys everything that I got because I am doing like a revamp to my channel. I am going to be trying a bunch of different nail styles because of course I love the long nails, but it's not really suitable for my life right now. So I'm going to dabble more into shorter nails. So I'm going to show you guys what I purchased. But first I want to thank all of my new subscribers and of course my old ones as well. Thank you all for commenting and interacting with me and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Yeah, I just thank you all so much for sticking with me and leaving me ideas below, leaving me suggestions below. I appreciate it so much. So if you guys want to see everything that I purchased from Amazon, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have the Amazon box here. I got some really cute stuff, you guys, that I'm really excited about. Unfortunately, one of the packages I did open already because I needed to get some nail glue because I needed to put these nails on before filming the video. So yeah, I opened one, so I'll dabble into that one first. It's like a bunch of like little packages. I don't know why I just couldn't send everything like together. But if you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know I always talk about the Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue. It came in a 2-pack, well actually a 4-pack, came with 2 of these, but the one that I just used, I don't know where I put it, so yeah. This is so far to me is the best nail glue for my press-ons. They don't budge, they stay. So of course I do use primer with this and I do buff my nail, but this works the best for me. When I don't have this, I can't wear my press-ons. Like, no other glue has worked for me. You guys comment down below if you guys have a glue that works for you, but nothing has worked for me. I do have 2 other Kiss glues that just trash. This one I have to put a picture on the screen because the packaging came off, but this didn't work at all. Trash, don't waste your money. And this one you can find in like Walmart all the time. This is the brush on glue one. Both of these are brush on. Trash, and they're both pretty full. Don't waste your money on that. If you're looking for nail glue, just pick up this one. I don't think you could find it in the store like this. The only time I've ever bought it in the store is if I bought Kiss press-on nails, and they always come with this one, so that's how I had to purchase mine. But on Amazon, you can get 2 of these, well 4 of these, for like $6 or $7. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have the links for everything down below, but yeah, okay. So also what came in that package is some more nails. You guys know I can't make an Amazon purchase without buying some nails. These are by McCart, and these are the 500-piece short oval nails. They're really short, you guys. So again, I'm going to put a picture that I'm just going to take from Amazon on the screen. You guys, these nails are really little. So originally I was going to film a video a couple weeks ago and I was just going to cut the nails that I have, but you guys know I really like my long nails, so I was like, I really don't want to waste them. So I went on Amazon and purchased 2 different nail types. I will show you the other ones in a little bit, but these are longer than my natural nails because you guys know I keep my natural nails really short. Like, I cut them all the way down. I don't like any free edge because stuff just gets under them and I think they look really nasty to me. But some people love to grow out their nails. Me, I prefer not to grow out my nails. I'll just put on a fake nail if I want a longer nail. But I really like these. Again, really short. I'm going to have a lot of videos coming up using these. So if you guys want like a closer look, you guys are going to see it on my channel. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. But I'm going to be dabbling more into short nails. And I think you guys would like that because a lot of us aren't like, you know, taking pictures for Instagram all day, every day. And we're not social media influencers. So I can't really wear those nails all day, every day. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel for some shorter nails. So this one's not open, so I'm not exactly sure what's in this one. I love Amazon though, but y'all know that already. Oh, this one I'm really excited about. So for my new style of nails, I'm going to be doing more like, not classic, but more just like neutral. I don't know. You guys will see. But I found this gel polish brand. I've never tried it before, so I'm excited. It's by Emily. Like Emily, but Emily, whatever. And it comes with 4. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen of what they look like. But you guys, the reviews on this was really good. I'm a review person, so if I'm reading through and I see like 5 people saying it's trash, and I'm not getting it. But it's hard to get out. But I wanted more pinks and nudes because, believe it or not, I don't have that many pinks and nudes. As much as I love pink and nude on my nails, I don't have that many. So this one is shade 65. And if you guys can see, it's like a clear pink. This is really pretty. I'm really excited about this. I got some plans, y'all. I plan on getting some really cute nails, just like stepping it up a bit. But because there has been some girls I follow on Instagram that have been really inspired by, so I want to dabble into a little bit of the style of nails that they do. So of course, when I do use their nail style, I will let you know who they are and tag them. But just really pretty. I can't wait. So super excited about this. If you guys have tried this nail polish, let me know down below. It's gonna be my first time, but just looking at it and reading the reviews, I know I'm gonna be purchasing more. So yeah, Emily. So that's all that came in this package. Amazon like wasting packaging. So I have a little bit of a bigger one. Let's cut this. Okay. Ooh, I don't like that. Oh, so we're supposed to cut it. You guys see that stuff flying? Okay. You guys see all that? I was supposed to cut it. It has like a flat, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I got some more nails. And these ones are, it doesn't say. I have to check my Amazon app. Let me look, just a moment. Vasedas. We're just gonna roll with that. That's the brand that says on Amazon, but at least these ones come in a bag. That's one thing I don't like about McCart nails. They come in those little baggies and not like a box. I prefer a box. But anyway, but these ones are short, like coffin shaped nails, and it's also a 500 piece because again, I'm trying to get into more like a shorter style, more natural style without cutting my nails. But these look really good. Love these little boxes. I wish McCart would get on it. So this is what the nail looks like. Can you guys see it? Again, I'll put a picture on the screen. But it's like a short coffin shaped nail, and I'm really excited about this because a couple months ago, I did purchase, it might have been the Model 1s or McCart nails. I'll put it on the screen if whichever brand it is, but they had like a curve to them, and I hate them. I think I used them twice, and I don't plan on ever digging for them again because they have this really ugly curve that makes my hands look like grandma fingers, and I just could not get with it. So I'm really happy to try this. And what really made me buy these is because in the comments, some girl commented and she said, I love these, they don't have that ugly curve. And that is like, oh, that's for me, because that is what I was afraid of. I was like, if I get another short nose that has that curve that gives me like, kind of like claws, but not like a cute claw, like a grandma, like strong hand, ugly. I don't like it. You guys know what I'm talking about. But these are nice and straight, and they're short, and I plan on doing some really cute nails with these. So, but yeah, I will link these below for you guys too. Okay, so this is something that I'm really excited about. So this is by Saviland. So I have tried something from this brand before. I have their gel polish, one of their gel polish kits. So I'm super excited to try these. So these are like chrome foil powders, or chrome, it says, what does it say? Chrome mirror powders. You guys know what I'm talking about. Picture. This packaging is really cute. So the set came with 6 different colors. Of course, the gold is the one that I'm most excited about. I'm just gonna open up one. Ooh, it's so cute. So this is what it looks like. It's black and gold packaging, and it's really cute. Like, they did that. And it also came with a little spoolie, because I was actually going to go to my local beauty supply store and pick up a pack because I knew I needed it to use these, but I'm really happy to see that they put some in here. But I'm super excited about this. I really got it for the gold, to be honest, but since I have the other colors, I'm going to try to use those too. But these are really cute, and I like that it came with the little, you know, little applicator. All right. Oh, I only have one more thing. I thought I had so much more. So these I'm really happy about too. So one of my lovely subscribers, her name is Linda. She actually put me onto these. So let me show you. She's so great. She's always commenting on my videos and giving me suggestions and just letting me know, you know, like when I ask like, hey, you guys know of a good base coat? She's just always recommending things for me. I just appreciate her so much. So Linda, if you're watching this, I appreciate you, girl, and I'm listening, because when you recommend stuff, for the most part, I'm gonna give it a try. So yeah, thank you, Linda. So you guys see, Linda, I think I got a little, well, I got a little happy, Linda, okay? I just broke it. Let's try this again. Okay, so don't squeeze it too hard. Oh my God, I can't believe I just broke it. Let me just regather myself. Okay, so if you guys saw like my little DIY like A-press method nails, I'm always complaining about like having to hold my nail and put it under the nail lamp. It's just, it gets messy it gets really messy, and it's just annoying, honestly. So I mentioned that in the video, and Linda said that they actually have like nail clips, maybe more gentle with this one. And yeah, you just clamp it onto your nail and you just stick it under the nail lamp, and you don't have to be all discombobulated and trying to figure it out. So yeah, that is what this is. Good thing it comes with a pack of 10 in this really nice box, because now I'm down to 9. I'll update you guys if I'm down to like 2 within the next week or so. But yeah, you just clamp the nail like this, and it holds the nail on, so that say you have like poly gel, if you're doing the laser gel method, or if you're doing like the A-press method, I can just stick it under my nail lamp and I don't have to hold it with this finger. So I'm super excited about this. Yeah, I can't believe I just broke that one, but we're just gonna keep on rolling. So that went quicker than I anticipated. Yeah, I'm really excited to try these things, you guys. Again, thank you all so much for watching and subscribing. Stay tuned to my channel, because within the next like week, I will have tried all of these things, so I'll be able to give you my honest, you know, opinion on it, and if it's worth it, or if it even works, if those clips even hold up, you know, because the way that thing just busted like that, I don't know. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Again, subscribing, comment down below anything you guys want to see on my channel. I'm pretty sure you guys want to appreciate the short nails too, because you know, we're not all Instagram influencers. Like we work 9 to 5s, okay? So you know, the long nails is cute for some jobs, but sometimes we can't take the long nails with us. So I'm excited to try my short nails for you guys. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, subscribing, showing me love, being a part of my community. Again, I've been on YouTube for a really long time, and I'm finally starting to, you know, build the love and have people that actually come back to my videos every time I upload, and they comment, and I appreciate you guys so much. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Again, any suggestions, leave them down below, you guys, so I'll always get back to you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a blessed week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.